On this week's episode of Chasing 518, we launch a boat and show you what not to do at the dock. Stay tuned. We've paid our fees, came through the gate, the kiosk there. Our boat's banded, so it's already muscle inspected from the last time we were here. So step number one, don't go get in line at the ramp and start doing all of your preparatory stuff. Pull off to the side and get your boat ready. That way when it's your turn at the ramp, you can just launch the boat and be gone. So we're gonna pull all the straps off, put the Bimini up, put everything in the boat for the day. Step number one, put the plug in. So I got this little toolbox I keep the plug right here on top. And then I just keep a little crescent wrench right here. So we'll put the plug in first. It's a pipe thread fit on this boat, so it's doesn't have to be real tight. Just snug. And then next, while I'm down here, I undo the transom straps. I'll put the Bimini up. Now that the Bimini's up, I'm gonna go ahead and put a dock line on, as well as a couple of fenders. That way we can tie it up against the dock and not beat up the side of the boat. So we'll get those rigged up. We got two fenders on the side of the boat that the dock's on, and then the yellow rope is dock line. So what we'll do is we'll back it down parallel to the dock, and then I'll just walk the boat back and tie it up to some cleats. Another good tip, if you have a enclosed inboard engine like this, is you probably have a blower to blow any flammable vapors out of that area before you start the boat. So while I'm up here getting ready, I'll turn on the blower and let that run for a few minutes just to purge any flammable vapors out of the bilge area there. One last step, I unplug the electrical on the boat. That way we don't have electricity trying to short out the light bulbs. So I'll leave that unplugged while we launch the boat and then retrieve it. So there we go, unplug the electrical, put the plug in, take the transom lines off, put your fenders on, dock line, Bimini, ice chest, sunscreen, everything. So let's go down to the water.
got your gunny sacks soaking?
I'm sorry?
Are your gunny sacks soaking?
I'm not familiar. I don't get it.
It's to beat the boys away from the door.
Oh, yeah. No, we got the shotgun ready.
Hi, kids.
Hi.
Going skiing?
No. Tubing.
Tubing. Well, that'll be good. Yeah.
Get them started.
Thank you. Hope to.
Just right back here, so that way in case another boat comes.
Okay, we're underway. Park the car. Ran back down to the dock. Still got the fenders and dock line on. We'll just start hitting our no wake zone and get away from the dock. Let everybody else do their thing. Pull the lines and fenders in and be underway.